How to download account statements from Barclays app. First of all, open the Barclays app and log in with your credentials. Once you are on the home screen, tap on More option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now from the list, select Manage Accounts. Under this section, tap on Statement and Letter Preferences. If you haven't already gone paperless, tap on Go Paperless today and confirm. Once paperless statements are enabled, return to the More section and scroll down to Statements and Documents. Tap on it to view all your available statements. From here, choose the account and the month or year for the statement you want to download. The selected statement will open on your screen. To download it, tap on the share icon at the top right corner. This will let you save the statement as a PDF to your device or share it through email or any preferred platform. Now you know how to download account statements from Barclays app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.